Once upon a time, in a mystical land called Enchantia, there lived 3 young sisters who were also talented witches. Their names were Luna, Stella, and Celeste. They were known as the Stardust sisters because they had a special gift: the power to create and control stardust, a magical substance that could bring joy and happiness to anyone who touched it. The Stardust sisters lived in a charming little house at the edge of the Whispering Woods, where they practiced their magic and took care of the plants and animals around them. They were loved by everyone in Enchantia, and their stardust was cherished by all. One day, a mysterious dark cloud appeared over Enchantia, casting a gloomy shadow on the once bright and colorful land. The people grew sad and worried, and no one knew how to make the darkness go away. The sisters knew that they had to do something to help their friends, so they set out on an adventure to find the source of the dark cloud and bring light back to Enchantia. Together, they embarked on a journey full of magical creatures, enchanted forests, and mysterious challenges. During their travels, they encountered a wise old owl who revealed that the dark cloud was the work of an evil sorceress named Malvina. She had stolen the rainbow crystal, a powerful gem that held the key to Enchantia's happiness, and was using it to spread darkness and despair throughout the land. The sisters knew that they had to retrieve the rainbow crystal and defeat Malvina to save their home. Along the way, they discovered that their stardust had the power to dispel the darkness and bring hope to those who were affected by it. They used their gift to spread happiness and light wherever they went, making new friends and allies who supported their quest. Finally, the sisters arrived at Malvina's castle, a sinister fortress shrouded in darkness. They bravely confronted the evil sorceress, who was not willing to give up the rainbow crystal without a fight. A magical battle ensued, with the sisters using their stardust to counter Malvina's dark spells. In the end, the power of love and unity prevailed, as the sisters combined their stardust to create a brilliant beam of light that broke through the dark cloud and defeated Malvina. The rainbow crystal was freed from her grasp, and the darkness that had plagued Enchantia vanished. The Stardust sisters returned home as heroes, and with the power of the rainbow crystal, they restored happiness and light to Enchantia. They continued to use their magical stardust to bring joy to everyone they met and became an inspiration to all who heard their story. The people of Enchantia learned that even in the darkest times, there is always hope, and that the power of love, friendship, and unity can overcome any obstacle. And so, the Stardust sisters and the people of Enchantia lived happily ever after, with their hearts full of love and their world full of light. Good night, and may your dreams be filled with the magical adventures of the Stardust sisters and the enchanting land of Enchantia.